Hello students, how are you all? My name is Zibanas. I am handling the subject science for class 3. So, let's come back to the topic. Here, last class, last video, I have told you about water, right? It was how the water is stored, what are the sources of water, where do you use water, why do you want to preserve water. These all things you have learned in the last video. Now let's go to another chapter, lesson number 5, the family of water. This is related to water only. So let's go with the chapter. In this chapter, we need to learn about identify the animals that live in rivers and seas. See, rivers and seas are full of water. You need to identify which are the animals that lives in rivers and seas. Then we need to learn about, that is, observe the response of plants and animals when it rains. We need to observe the response. Then identify the changes that occurs in quantity of water flow in different seasons. In some season the water will be less, in some season the water will be more, in some season the water will be average. We need to identify the changes that occurs in different seasons. This is an introduction part. This is the part in which you need to learn in this chapter about this much. Okay, let's go with the chapter. See, these are the some pictures. Okay, see how beautiful the pictures are. You can see this picture. See, animals are enjoying in the rain. See, you can see this picture, right? There is an elephant. How happy the elephant is. See how happy the elephant is. It is enjoying the rain. How it is, see how it is enjoying the rain. It's happy when it rains. See how beautiful all animals are enjoying. They are running here and there. The birds are flying in the rain. Goat is running. Cock is enjoying the rain, right? These are the some animals. Not only animals, we human beings also enjoy the rain, right? We feel very happy when it rains. See this peacock, how beautiful it is, right? When it rains, it opens its feather and dances. So it's like so beautiful to see a peacock when it rains. Okay, so see here, there is a frog. How beautiful it is looking when it is raining. What frog does, you know? It's jump here and there and enjoys the rain. It jumps in the pond, it jumps in the river and enjoy the rain. These are the some pictures, animals enjoying in the rain. Now you see, water droplets comes to the earth in the form of rain. From where does this water droplets comes? Students, the water droplets comes from the cloud. From the cloud it comes to the earth in the form of rain. In the form of what? In the form of rain. All living creatures feels very happy when it rains, right? We all feel very happy when it rains. Students, especially you, what you will do when it rains? You will go and dance in the rain, right? So all living creatures feel very happy when it rains. The fish, frog and crab in the rivers are also happy, right? The rain flow in the form of streams and joins the river. What happens? Water droplets, the rain that water droplets that is coming from the cloud comes to the earth and it goes into the in the form of streams are small place where water flows. Okay, streams and join the rivers. This stream by flowing it goes into the rivers. All rivers joins into the sea. All rivers, what they will do? They will join together in the form of sea. See, rain flows in the form of streams and join the rivers. All the rivers join into the sea. Now next, you see, what are the river animals? See students, the river animals are different and sea animals are different. Okay, river is a small place, like it's not so small, it's a small place in which small animals can survive. Okay, like crocodile, duck, tortoise, fish, your frog, these all stay in the river. Okay, see, I have given some picture here. At the there is a frog. The small cornered small fishes, these are called as tadpoles. They are baby fishes of frog. They look, when they will be small, they look like a fish. Okay, they are called as tadpoles. See, there is a duck, there are fishes, there are crabs. These all animals live in the river. See, fish, crabs, crocodile, frog, tortoise, tadpoles, ducks, etc. are the animals which live in river. I repeat, fish, crabs, crocodile, frog, tortoise, tadpoles, ducks, etc. are the animals which live in river. Students, tell me other animals which live in river and send me as a homework. Okay? Now, these are the river animals. These live in river. Now, next, sea animals. Sea is a large place, right? Sea is large place. Usually, sea water will be very salty and river water will be sweet. Okay, sea animals. Sea is a large place in which large animal lives. They will be bigger in size or larger in size. Okay, some of the animals which live in sea are dolphins, starfish, whale, jellyfish, octopus, turtle, crab, seahorse, penguins, seals. These are the some animals. Okay, there are many animals which live in sea. These are certain animals, common animals which live in sea. You can see this picture with the name, students. See, dolphins, starfish, octopus, jellyfish, lobsters, seahorse, seal, penguins, turtle. These all are the animals which live in the sea. Okay, these animals live in the sea. See, starfish cannot live in the river because it needs a salty water. Okay, whale cannot live in the river. Whale is a large animal. It needs a large space. So whale live in the sea. Dolphin is a large animal. Dolphin cannot live in the river. River is a small place. It needs a large space. Okay, these are certain animals which live in the sea. Okay, you can see the picture. I'll zoom the picture and show you these are the certain animals. Once more, I'll show you the river animals. See, I'll zoom the river animals and show you these are fishes, frogs, crocodile, tortoise, duck, tadpoles, small fish, crabs. These are the river animals. Okay, now let's go for another topic. See, can you see this picture, students? This picture, what do you see in this picture? There is a greenery. When there is rain, there will be lot of green things. See how beautiful it is. And in the river, or this is a picture of the river or pond in which all animals are staying in the water. See, when it is raining, this was a picture taken. See how beautiful and green it is. When it rains, plants also enjoy the rain and they'll become green in color. See how beautiful this picture is. This picture is of ocean. Ocean is full of ocean or sea. It is full of water. When it rains, it will be full of water. See how beautiful it is. They see now. See, when it rains, everything look green and plants and trees grow and become beautiful. Plant and tree grow and become beautiful. They grow green and they look very beautiful when it rains. Then the ponds and rivers flow full of water. What the ponds and rivers will be flowing full of water. See how beautiful it look when ponds and rivers are flowing with full of water. See, when it rains, all the nature will be very beautiful to look. The nature, you will enjoy the things, right? Plants will be full green. Even now, this is the rainy season. You go out of Gulbarga, full area will be full of greenery. This is because it's raining. Rain is one of the beautiful thing in the nature. Okay, all enjoys the rain. Then next, see, students, These are some pictures without rain. If there is no rain, what happens? The plant become dull. See how it is without a leaf. All the things are yellow yellow. Do you like this picture, student? See, this is the picture without rain, and this is the river. See, full less. There is a less water because there is a less rain because of heat and rain. No rain, the area has become fully dry. This is a river picture. River picture when there is a full of water. How beautiful it looks. Now you see how it is looking. You can see here. See, in summer, ponds and streams will dry up and there will be less water in the river due to the heat and the absence of rain. See, due to the heat and absence of rain, what happens here? All the things will get dried up. In which season, students? Summer season. In summer season, what happens? All the things get dried up due to the heat. The level of water in the ponds and rivers as wells will vary during different season, right? In summer season the level of water will be very high. Sorry, in summer season the level of water will be very less. In rainy season the level of water will be very high. See, in summer season the trees loses its shine due to the shortage of water. See, I have shown you the picture of the tree. This is the tree. There is no greenery. It is losing its, what it is losing? It's losing its shine due to the shortage of water. Even birds and animals, due to the heat, what happens? They lose their life. Okay, birds and animals, they lose their life because they cannot survive in so much of heat. So, see, in summer, plants and trees lose its shine due to the shortage of water. Even birds and animals loses their liveliness. Okay, even birds and animals loses their liveliness. And all living beings needs water for the survival. We all need water for the survival, right? Without water there is no life. We human beings also need water. We need water for drinking, washing clothes and everything in our body. If there is no water we will not survive, right? We will die without water. Our body works with the help of water and food. If there is no food, we will die off. Even plants, if there is a water, the plants will look very beautiful, the plants will look very green. Okay, if there is no water, they will lose their life or they will become very dull and all full of, like, only wood will be standing, that plant. Even the grass becomes yellow and it looks how dirty. When there is a rain the grass becomes green and you like to enjoy the grass, you like to sit in the grass, right? Then next, this was the chapter. Hope you understood this chapter. In this chapter what did you learn, students? You learned that is because we need rain, right? With the help of rain all things look beautiful. If there is no rain, there is no beauty, right? Then you learned about different animals in the sea and rivers, right? You learned about different animals in the sea and river. And you learned about how water content vary during the summer season and rainy season. Okay, now let's go for the question and answers. I have given few questions with the answers. Let's go with this. Okay, first question: why does the level of water in the river, ponds and wells vary during the different season? Why does it vary? Because, see, answer is this. During rainy season, the ponds and rivers flow with lot of water, right? During rainy season, what happens? Ponds and rivers flow with lot of water due to rain. When there is a rain, ponds and rivers will be full of water. During summer season, ponds and rivers become dry due to the heat and absence of rain. The what happens during the summer season? They become dry. Why they become dry? Because there is no rain and there is lot of heat. See, this is one of the important questions, students. What you will say? During rainy season, Ponds and rivers flow with lot of water due to rain. Okay, during summer season, ponds and rivers become dry due to heat and absence of rain. Now, let's go for the second question. Write three sea animals. Students, can you tell me what are the sea animals? I have given the three sea animals: dolphin, starfish, and seals. These are three sea animals. Can you tell me other sea animals? I will tell you one, that is starfish. Starfish also lives in sea. Whale. Whale also lives in sea. Let's go for another question. From where does the rain comes? Students, can you tell me from where does the rain comes? The rain comes from the cloud and falls to the earth, right? Water droplets from the cloud comes to the earth in the form of rain. Water droplets from the cloud comes to the earth in the form of rain and flow in the form of stream, where they will flow in the form of streams. What are streams, students? Stream is a small place in which water flow. These streams joins the river. Where they will join? They will join into river. All the river flow together, flow and all the river flows and form into seas. All the river water, what they will do, they will join into the form of sea. Okay, now once more I repeat. From where does the rain comes? Water droplets from the cloud come to the earth in the form of rain and flow in the form of streams and join the river. All the river flow into seas. All the river flow into sea. Then let's go for another question. How do the banana tree, coconut plant, frog, fish, paddy plant react when it rains? All this, when it rains, what is the reaction? All the plants and animals feels happy when it rains, right? We feel very happy. All the plants or animals also feel happy. How they express? The banana tree, coconut plant, paddy plant, what they will do, they will grow tall and grow green, right? They will grow tall and green, which enhances the nature. That is how beautiful it looks when they will be tall and green. It enhances the nature, it enhances the beauty. Then frog enjoys the rain and jumps into the water. Frog enjoys the rain and it will be jumping here and there into the water. Fishes dances and swims in the water. Fish dances and swims in the water. These are the few questions in this chapter you have to learn. Or another other questions which I feel it is very important, I will give you as an homework. You have to search it and write it. Okay, hope you understood this chapter. Students, I'm not getting any response from your side. Only few students are giving me the homework. Please send me homework as early as possible and respond me as early as possible. Only few students are giving me the homework. Please submit the homework. Okay, it's very it's good for you only. You can learn everything in this chapter. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this chapter. Hope you enjoyed this chapter. I'll be back with another chapter very soon. So take care, students. Bye bye.